At Crown, we're committed to looking after you. Your health and safety is so important to us. We're always looking at ways to improve the safety and well-being of all our employees. Most jobs at Crown involve manual handling, so it's important for Crown to understand the manual handling aspects of all workplace activities and look for ways to reduce the risk of any injuries. So how does Crown manage risk from manual handling tasks? We've developed a manual handling program called Emmah, the evaluation and management of manual handling. Emmah is comprised of 5 main components: identify, assess, modify, train, educate, and review. Firstly, we identify all manual handling tasks by looking at previous incident and hazard reports. Next, we assess our jobs, tasks and activities and document this in the Crown Job Analysis. This also involves taking detailed measurements of the physical demands, posture, muscle activity and work environment. We can use small sensors placed on your back and arms to identify and assess tasks, activities and individual techniques that may be placing unnecessary strain on your body. After reviewing all the job tasks and assessing the employees undertaking that work, Crown is then able to make any appropriate workplace modifications to the job itself or the techniques and processes being utilised. Training is also an important component of Emmah. All new employees, as part of their induction, will be introduced to manual handling at Crown with Emmah on board. Employees undertaking manual handling tasks as part of their normal job will undergo Emmah Online every 2 years. And for specific manual handling tasks, on-the-job specific training will be provided with Emmah on site. Crown has worked with leading biotechnology company dorsaVi to introduce these mini sensors into the workplace.
I felt there was a definite need to be able to quantify complex human movement and do this simply and accurately. In my work with dorsaVi, I've worked with many thought leaders such as Manchester United, the Golden State Warriors and the New England Patriots. I believe from very early on that this cutting-edge tech that we were developing also had a huge role to play in understanding workplace issues and in being able to find solutions and improvements for these workplace practices.
Let's see how this is working in real life at Crown. In this example, Louise, a bell attendant, uses poor manual handling technique to unload luggage from a car boot onto a trolley. Louise lifts the luggage with one hand, increasing the load through her arm. Her shoulders are elevated and arms outstretched, putting additional load through her body, moving the shoulders into the red zone as shown on the Emmah app display. Louise turns from the car to the trolley quickly and with minimal bending at the knees when lowering the luggage. In doing so, she twists her spine and flexes her back, putting her posture into the amber and red zones. Finally, she uses one arm to pull the trolley behind her, which puts the shoulder into the amber zone and increases the load through one arm. Emmah allows us to reduce the risks of manual handling tasks, so we can all work safer, productively, and return safely to our family and friends. Crown is committed to your safety and well-being. If you're going to do it right.